Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the secret winter footwear hack in DTI. So if you want to unlock these coziest and cutest winter boots looks, no VIP needed. You just need to follow the step-by-step hack on this video. So first, you just need to go to the shoe shelf in DTI, and first you need to use this shoes in here and make it all the same color. You can choose any color that you want. So let's say I'm going to use these colors in here. Okay, just change it all of the same color, and after that use this second shoe, this one, and make the color the same. Okay, once you're done with the shoe, just get the sock, this one, the sock in here, and again change it to the same color and go to the dressing room and use two code items from here. So the first one is this leg warmers, make the color the same, and the second one is these bunny slippers, and make the first color the same with the rest, and you can just leave the rest of the color as it is. So guys, that's all for me. I hope you like this tutorial. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.